Okay, this is the plow mount that I bought off of this guy up in Roscoe. His name's Jason. Found him on Craigslist. And he said if I didn't like this mount, I could bring it back and get my money back. And I called him up yesterday and said I was going to bring it back because I just didn't think that this was going to hold up for what I needed to do. Plus, I really don't want to have to weld this on the truck, which is the way that this would have to go on my truck. Inside the frame rail here. And I think this part bottoms out, or supposed to bottom out on the bottom part of the frame rail or something. And I got these things that you're supposed to weld into the back, which are kind of like those over there. But like I said, I was kind of worried about this thing holding up. You know, look at the regular Western plow mount. These things are one piece, go all the way around. You know, so I think those are a little bit sturdier than this. And also, there's like no bracing on this thing at all on the back side of it. I mean, you got this here, which is the same thing as this piece of angle iron on each side, and then that's it. This is where the main plow mount would mount, and there's nothing behind here. What, you know, I mean, you can't put this right behind that on my truck because then you're going to be right on a bolt. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to weld that right there, so I'd have to weld it like over here. You know, and it sits way up under the truck, farther than I would like, and I just don't want to chance it on my truck and end up breaking this thing off, or have it break, or anything like that when I'm out plowing, trying to make something. You know what I'm saying? If you look at this one, see all the bracing they have on this? I mean, that's heavy duty. I mean, granted, I added this piece in to make it fit around my frame, but this one also cups the frame. This is my old one off the other truck, but the other one I'm looking at is the same way. It cups the frame, bolts onto it, just like that, and then it bolts somewhere on the bottom. So this one is just a bolt-on deal, besides, you know, welding it onto my old truck because I modified this one to fit. But I'm waiting on a call back on this Jason cat so I can bring this back. If you don't call me before too long, I think I'm just going to drive back out there to his place. He has a change of heart or something and doesn't want to give me my money back. So I paid $350 for this. And I could have made this in my garage with my welder for, I don't know what, 50 bucks maybe in metal. And I would have braced the crap out of it. I mean, the welds look okay on it, but I'm no expert welder, certified expert welder or anything either. But it doesn't even look like it's stuck on the edge like that weld right there. Let's see if I can get it. It's hard to see in the light out here. But it doesn't even look like that weld was hot enough over here. I could be wrong, like I said, I'm no expert welder. Can you see what I'm trying to see here? It's too sunny where I'm looking. There we go. So if there's anybody that's a good welder out there, like Texas Viking or somebody, let me know what you think of these welds. Anyway, I hope this guy calls me back pretty quick and says, yeah, bring this thing out here and get your money back, because I found another one that's for this truck, like this, for $150, used one. So $350, $150 for a Western Unimount, real deal plow mount. So cross our fingers and hope this dude stands by his word, because he said if I didn't like it, if I wasn't happy with it, I could bring it back and get my money back. So don't screw me around, Jason, up there in Roscoe.